Hey guys, so we got a 2016 Ford Transit Connect with a 2.5 liter. We have an engine vibration. We just replaced the top engine mount recently. The vibration got a lot better, but we're still left with a vibration when we put the vehicle in drive. And I'm just going to show you that with the bottle of water right here. So we're in park, engine's running, and we can feel the vibration. The water's starting to shake a lot more. Okay. So out of the other two mounts that are left, we have the trans mount and the torque strut mount. And the torque strut mount is made to absorb most of the engine and transmission movement when the vehicle is put in drive. So I'm highly suspecting that mount. So I'm going to take that mount out. Okay guys, so before I take the torque strut mount out, I just want to show you where the top engine mount is located. Uh, and like I said before, this was already replaced. So just to show you where it is. Okay guys, we got the torque strut mount out. And before we go any further, I just want to say this is located underneath the vehicle, and I suggest if you have to replace this, bring this to a shop where they have a lift. So we have the old torque strut mount here. The only signs I see, it has a little bit of dry rot, if you can see that. It's a little bit firmer than the new one, but let's get the new one in and see what happens. Alright guys, I'm back in the van. We got the torque strut mount in. The vehicle is in drive right now. I can feel a pretty good difference. You see the ripples are not as aggressive, so when you're doing these top engine mounts, especially on a Ford, I would highly recommend you also do the torque strut mount to go along with it. And thanks for watching.